In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change YouTube Music widget. First, go to your phone's home screen and long press, which means press and hold, on the existing widget. This action is crucial as it allows you to access the widget settings. When you do this, you will notice that the widget enters a selection mode indicating that it is ready to be modified. You might see a few options pop up, highlighting the widget's functionality. If you are unsure about how to long press, just gently press down on the widget until the screen reacts. This step is the gateway to customizing your experience. Next, drag towards the X to delete it from the home screen. As you perform this action, you will see the widget disappear, confirming that it has been successfully removed. This is important because it clears the space for the new widget you are about to add. Once you let go near the X, the widget should vanish without a trace. This step ensures that there are no remnants of the old widget, allowing for a fresh start. Now go to your phone's home screen and long press again on the empty background space. This action is similar to the first step. You'll see that the screen becomes slightly dimmed and options appear, indicating you are in edit mode. This is a great opportunity to prepare your home screen for new widgets. It's a straightforward step, but it sets the tone for the next actions. You will feel confident knowing you are on the right track. From there, tap widgets from the pop-up menu that appears at the bottom. This option is essential as it opens up the widget selection interface. You'll be greeted with a list of available widgets from your installed apps. It's a well-organized menu, making it easy to navigate through your options. This step is key because it provides access to all the widgets you can choose from, enhancing your customization options. Next, scroll down the list of apps and tap YT Music to expand the available options. This action will reveal different widget styles associated with YouTube Music. You might notice various designs and layouts that you can choose from. This is an exciting moment because it gives you a chance to explore how you want your music experience to look on your home screen. Engaging with this step will help you find a widget that suits your style. After that, swipe through the layout styles such as Now Playing, Turntable, or Recently Played Grid. This step is a fun way to visualize how the widget will look on your home screen. You will see different styles flash before your eyes, making it easy to decide which one resonates with you. Each layout has its unique flair, catering to different preferences and needs. This exploration is essential to ensure that you select a design that not only looks good but also functions well for your music enjoyment. Now, press and hold the widget design you want, then drag and drop it onto your home screen. This action finalizes your selection, bringing the new YouTube Music widget into your immediate view. You will feel a sense of accomplishment as you drop it into place. It's reassuring to know that you have taken control of your home screen, making it more personalized. Once you have placed the widget, it should fit perfectly, ready for you to enjoy your music seamlessly. With these steps completed, you have successfully changed your YouTube Music widget. This customization enhances your user experience, making it easier to access your favorite tunes. Enjoy your newly personalized music experience on your home screen.